Season is about to end and we want to get to 200k subscribers. Bafethu siyanicela, please subscribe. We are left with only 1 month. Can we do it? I believe we can. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, TS Galaxy 3. I'm joined by friend Mapradika Mabanu Puma Gupi.
Elijah bro wami ngibethembisa uthi
Yeah, sure, Rodmani.
ngizelana kuzobheka i-team yami vele TS Galaxy.
Yeah. Team yakho.
TS Galaxy.
Yeah.
Because today bese ngibatshelile abantwana bami ukuthi mina friend. Babulise ke friend. Ya team Sugazi. Ya team Sugazi. Abazange bambelieve. Stibo, ariko what's something out here.
Sure.
Abana chelete ka ba yegata mara iba league.
Yeah.
That's what I've actually written on my portal. You may have billions, but you cannot be able to win the league.
You can't buy the league.
You cannot buy it. You can only buy the players.
Yeah.
So Tina Sina 3, no support the lobbies for league.
Yeah.
So we are Pagania.
Yeah.
Sebo vele UTS Galaxy lo msebenzi lo awenzile today.
Yeah, I'm cool.
Mina amasanda wansi bekela kancane ngizobona next season because nekhafi ngeke nibone kusho mina. Angeke bayibona. Ngeke. Abathole next Hlorkop this season.
This season is nothing.
Ngiyabatshela mina uthiyana.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ngisuke ethembisa ngaza la ngizobheka yona i-team le ngiyifavor today.
Yeah.
TS Galaxy.
Yeah.
Ngiyabona.
Thank you, Rodmani.